Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting cookware sets that will transform your kitchen experience, the CAROTE 23-piece ceramic cookware set. If you're on the hunt for a top-quality cookware set, this one truly stands out as the best choice for both beginners and seasoned chefs. This set is packed with features that will elevate your cooking, and it's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a stylish yet practical solution. The CAROTE cookware is designed with a pro-grade ceramic non-stick coating, infused with diamond layers for ultimate durability and easy food release. Imagine cooking your favorite meals without worrying about anything sticking to the pan. Plus, it's non-toxic, ensuring that no harmful chemicals are released while cooking. But that's not all. The CAROTE cookware set is incredibly versatile. Whether you're cooking on an induction stove, a gas burner, or even an oven, this set has got you covered. With removable Bakelite handles, you can easily transition from the stovetop to the oven and even use it on the grill. It's perfect for people who love to experiment with different cooking methods. The handles are detachable, which means you can store these pots and pans easily without taking up too much space. In fact, by removing the handles, you can save up to 70% more space in your kitchen cabinets. The set includes a variety of essential cookware items: 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch fry pans, a 1.5-quart saucepan, a 3-quart saucepan, a 4-quart sauté pan with a lid, and a 4.5-quart stockpot with a lid. That's not all. You also get universal lids, a fish turner, trivets, a solid turner, a ladle, and even pan protectors. Every piece is thoughtfully included to ensure you have everything you need for your cooking adventures. And for those of you who like things easy, these pots and pans are also dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Another highlight of the CAROTE cookware set is its beautiful navy blue color that adds a pop to any kitchen. Not only will you enjoy its functionality, but it will also make your kitchen look stylish and modern. Plus, it's so durable that it will keep its good looks for years to come. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The CAROTE cookware set is designed with a non-stick surface, making it super easy to clean. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or simmering, the cleanup process is a breeze. And if you're someone who enjoys cooking for the family, the versatility of these pieces is sure to make your cooking more efficient and fun. With a 12-month warranty included, CAROTE stands by its products. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out for a solution, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the CAROTE 23-piece ceramic cookware set is hands down one of the best cookware sets available today. It's durable, non-toxic, and incredibly versatile, making it a perfect addition to your kitchen. If you're ready to cook smarter and with style, this is the set you need. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing product reviews right here on Product Critique.